Hey guys, we have several different ideas of what you can make for your own hat. If you guys haven't heard yet, on Tuesday we are going to have a party. You will get an email from Terry if you haven't already, and we are going to all call in and wear silly hats. If you have your own silly hat already in your closet, you're good to go. Or if you would like to learn how to make other silly hats, you can stay watching. So there's a couple different ideas of what you can do. For this one, you're going to be making a cat hat. So if you can see, what you do is you put it on a headband, and you are going to cut out 4 different triangles, 2 big triangles and 2 small triangles. So it's going to look like this. I grabbed an old envelope container, so you can really use just about anything. That's going to be too noisy. So you're going to draw 2 large triangles. What's going to make that easiest for you is, this will probably help you see it better. So you've got your triangle. What you'll do after you draw your one triangle, you can cut . And after you have your one triangle, you can actually fold your paper in half. Make sure it's even with the bottom, and you can cut your triangle for your first 2 ears. You can feel free to paint these if you want, or if you would like, you can even just use cardboard and it'll already be brown and ready to go. If you see on mine, you can still see the orange. So I'm just going to cut them both and make them a little bit smaller. So next, I need to make 2 more ears for the middle part. Now, for this one, you can use any kind of paper you would like. You can use white paper and color or draw your own designs or do your own favorite color on it. Or you can use scrapbook paper where it already has the designs made for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw triangles that are smaller than this triangle, than the 2 triangles here. So what you can do is you can take your paper and kind of measure, okay, this is going to be smaller. So once you do that, you're going to want to draw your triangle. So here we are. We're going to draw our triangle. And after you draw your triangle, remember, it really helps if you cut both triangles at the same time. So you're going to take this triangle and put it on top of another paper and cut. Next, you're going to cut out the triangle so it'll fit on your larger ears. Now that this is done, you can either glue or tape your ears on your cardboard, okay? So you're going to either glue or tape your ears on the cardboard. After you do that, you're going to need to cut a little bit, about if you have a ruler, approximately, that means close, but it doesn't have to be exact. And you might need to do it a little bit differently depending upon your headband. But you're going to want to do about 1/2 inch cut on both sides. So 1/2 cut inch on one side and 1/2 cut inch on the other. You see that? So you're going to go and cut up and up. And once you do that, you're going to want to cut over so it looks like this. And then over again. So in the end, it kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Do you see that? You do that so that you can fold it. Okay? Folding it helps it stay on the headband better. So if we look at this one that I made, the ears are on there nicely and firmly. What we want to do is take a look at this. It's cut just like a Christmas tree, so that it would fit on the headband. See, same thing, cut just like a Christmas tree, so it can fold and go nicely on the headband. Now, for the ears that we're currently making, what you're going to want to do is try it out on your headband and see how it works. So for this one, we see that our sweet little kitten ears are ready to be added onto our headband. And voila, you've got your first kitten ear. So you can decide which kitten ear you want. I won't finish doing the video, but you're going to do the same thing for the other ear. And you just want to make sure that they sit nicely on your headband. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I would love to answer your questions. Or if there's an adult that would like to help you, that is perfectly wonderful too. All right, guys, have an awesome day.